Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to compress your image using ChatGPT and Google Gemini. So most image compression websites that you can find online can compress your images up to 60-70%, and sometimes you see a lot of difference in the quality. It wasn't different, it's going to greatly affect it. But with the help of ChatGPT, I think it maintains literally the quality, and then it reduced the size drastically by more than 90%. So that's something very unique, and you can do that with any version of ChatGPT. So all you need is to start by uploading the image. So assuming I have this picture, it's about 5.1 megabytes. You can just drag and drop it in, and then I have this prompt. So I'm going to leave this prompt for you in the description so you can use it. Now, one thing you should be aware of, you can compress more than one images. Sometimes you can have up to 3, 4. When it's more than 3, it is going to give you the images in a zip file so you can download that, use for your content. So for this time, I'm going to upload only one image. So compress all uploaded images. Use the subtle, balanced, aggressive, depending on what you want. So if you want to go as far as 90% removal or reduction or compression, you have to go with something like aggressive, and then you can see maintain the same format. You have the option to maintain the same format, whether it's a PNG or a JPEG file, or you can convert to a format, maybe to PNG or JPEG or WebP or thereabout. Okay, so let's say for this case I wanted to maintain the same format as what it is contained at the moment. Okay, so you can have these very simple things to tweak with, and then all the other details remain the same. So let's go ahead and even enter this, and let's see whether this is going to actually compress our image and give us something smaller in size and virtually the same in quality. Now let's do the same with Google Gemini. So assuming I have my Gemini open, I can just paste the text, and I want it to go aggressive as well, and then I want it to remain the same format. Okay, so it's very easy. And then let's bring in the picture here as well, 5.1 megabytes, and let's see how good each one of them is going to carry out this task. So you can set it to thinking, and then if you want to have better results, better you use the image creation or the nano banana options. While it is uploading, let's check on the ChatGPT whether the result is right. And as you can see, it is completed. You can download the image from here, and let's see, this is the first option, and let's compare the size. Can you see 165 kilobytes? That is quite a lot of difference compared to what we have. And if you look at the image quality, it is literally very quality compared to what we have. So this is the means, this is the method. You can go ahead and explore and see how you can actually do that with any of your content. So let's give some seconds to see what the Gemini is going to come up with. And this is for Google Gemini, so let's see what it has for us, and let's go ahead and download this, and let's go ahead and save this, and let's see the sizing compared to that of ChatGPT compressing the best, and in terms of quality it's still the same thing, but this one had it to reduce it to 2.2. so if you are looking for like 50% to 60% reduction, we can use Gemini, but if you are looking for like 90% reduction, I think ChatGPT is the best option. So please go ahead, explore, and see how you can use this to enhance your image generation or image creation, or to compress your image to any length. Check out the description or the prompt to try on your own content as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next talk. Bye.